Welcome back, guys. What's good? It's RJ, and today, back to my roots, as I always say, another pair of Ultraboost. It's another pair from the DNA pack, or some people calling it the Chinese New Year pack. DNA because that's what it says on the box. Obviously, everything from the pack, though, has a little bit of Chinese influence and inspiration, and that's no different for today's pair. We've got a triple black pair, 2.0 knit, little bit of pattern around the ankle area and back panel. We'll break everything down, dig deep into the detailing, and without further ado, let's get into it. So as per the majority of the shoes that I break down, both sneakers exactly the same. We will stick to the left for today, and here you have them. All right, just like the first pair of Chinese New Year's I broke down, I will link that at the end of this video if you guys are interested in that one, as well as in the description below. But finish this one first because you're gonna like these, I think. Size tag right there. We'll get into sizing obviously later on in the video. Style number for those of you interested, FW4324, Ultraboost DNA, red box, pulls out like so. And enough about the box. Here is the sneaker, as I already said, full black prime knit base, 2.0 knit pattern. One thing that's gonna jump out at you right away is the weather stripping around the toe box, little mud guard action. Pretty dope. I'm always a fan of this. Obviously, if you watch any of my videos over the years, I love the mud guard. Helps if you kick anything, get the shoe dirty, step in some mud. If it's raining, whatever the situation is, protects the front of the sneaker a lot. And when you've got a knit base or knit construction, a little bit of mud guard helps. You know, there's no tearing, fraying around the toe box, and that always helps a lot. Another thing worth mentioning, right around the top portion of that mud guard, as well as the 3 stripes on the cage, the outer edge of the heel cup, and I think even the Adidas logo right here on the tongue tag, all have hits of 3M in them. I think the camera will pick it up because of the lighting, so hopefully you guys are getting a taste of that. Definitely worth mentioning though. I know a lot of people love 3M, and those reflective hits on this sneaker I think are a cool aspect. Definitely a cool addition to this sneaker in general, because in natural lighting, it just looks like a triple black sneaker with a little bit of pattern back on the back heel portion. So back to the shoe, other than the 2.0 knit pattern up top, we'll hit the cage. You've got a typical TPU plastic cage, flat black cotton laces, black lace aglets. Again, you come up to the tongue, you've got neoprene surrounding the tongue tag, and then the tongue tag does have that gold Adidas Performance logo. Then coming back to the TPU plastic heel cup, typical Ultraboost heel cup, gold lettering right there. Not the first time we've seen that. I'm always a fan of the gold hits. Obviously that heel cup is on both lateral and medial portions of the shoe. Does add a lot of support and stability for those of you new to the Ultraboost lineup. Definitely not very many of you, I know that. And the big thing that's standing out on this colorway is this pattern back here, both lateral and medial, as well as on the back panel of the shoe. You've got, like I already mentioned, Chinese hits, Chinese inspiration. You've got a little blue and orange koi fish. Again, that's gonna be on both sides of the shoe. And the best way to describe the back panel to me is almost like a lotus flower looking pattern, I guess. It's pink, green, gold hits all around there, and then you've just got a little bit of detailing. Not really sure the best way to describe it, but I'm sure the camera's picking it up. Green and gold hits right here almost look like lettering, but I don't necessarily think it is. And then just more design and pattern throughout the white area, outlined in black. Really cool. It's almost a really simple triple black like we've had time and time again, with a little Chinese love. Insoles are nothing special. You got the Boost bubble lettering, bottom, everything exactly the same. Black base, nothing special. Now outside of the upper, you have a full Boost midsole. This one is layered in black. The majority of you already know these aren't dyed or dipped or anything like that. They are just coated in whatever color Adidas chooses to use. Over time, they typically do crack. We won't really know if these ones do the same without wear and tear over time. It does take quite a while. And as for the outsole, you do have a Continental branded rubber outsole, as per every Ultraboost these days. And you can see the white Boost creeping through all the holes down there. So it is a white Boost midsole covered in black. And you've got that torsion system. You've got a bit of a almost blood red cap right there. Typically that cap and that little heel counter right there match in color. Not the case on this colorway, however. As for pricing, I got these overseas, same place I got the CNYs, and that's from SVD. I will link them again in the description below. Rough estimation on pricing is about 180 bucks. That's fairly typical for Ultraboost. Again, if it's a special release or a collaboration, sometimes they hit 200. I think occasionally 220. These ones came in right around 180 bucks. Actually a little cheaper and shipped pretty reasonably. I think they shipped almost for free, if not like 10 bucks. So for an Ultraboost that came from overseas, I actually got these pretty close to what a Ultraboost would cost stateside, even before tax. And it's always dope to get a shoe close to retail, especially when you're getting them overseas. As for sizing, with every 2.0, I've always gone true to size. I got a 10.5, that's my true to size, and that's what I would suggest if you are thinking about picking these up. I think SVD actually still has these in stock, and if you're interested, definitely hit the link down below for that. Other than that, StockX might have them, GOAT might have them. I didn't really see this particular colorway a whole lot of places, so that's why I grabbed them. I think this was the only pair outside of the Chinese New Year pair that I really liked from the whole entire pack, and I'm not really one for the black midsole, but picked them up anyways. Last but definitely not least is comfort. As close to a 10 as you get out of 10 when it comes to comfort and wearability. I love this sneaker. If you're brand new to Ultraboost, just go grab a pair. These are definitely comfy. I love them. My favorite silhouette, the most talked about sneaker on this channel. This will not be the last time we speak on an Ultraboost. I just love them. So comfort, 10 out of 10, can't go wrong. And as for the triple black patterned colorway from the DNA pack, that's gonna do it, guys. I will throw these on feet, give you guys a really up close, personal look at them. And as always, I appreciate all of you for checking out the video. If you haven't already, hit the thumbs up. If you're brand new to the channel, tap the subscribe, hit the little bell notification, get an alert every single time I do anything on this channel. I appreciate all of you for watching the videos. Until next time, I'm RJ. Peace out.